Welcome. Today in front of me Meizu M5S, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select the screen where you want to add the widget. In my case that will be the new one, to show you how you can do that. And now just hold for a while your screen, and here you'll see the add widget icon. Just tap here to the plus icon, and here, as can you see, we got all the available widget. For example, we can go with the weather one. Just hold for a while and drag it here to the position where you wanna just add the widget. And for example, now I'll show you that you can just move here a widget on your screen, or also you can move that to the another screen. Just hold for a while and drag it, for example, here on your main screen. And as can you see, so that's how it looks. If you want, you can add the one more widget here, for example, by the same way, go here, and for example we can add the calendar. Tap here on the calendar, and that's all we this widget just will add here to your screen. If you want, you can this widget remove also by the same way to the another screen, or if you want, you can remove the screen just as a widget. Just hold for a while and drag it here to the trash icon, and by the same way you can add the second screen widget. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.